Welcome to this week's video, and today it is grey, wet, bit windy, generally absolute rubbish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my winter bike out, which is in bits at the moment. It's a Genesis IO, it's a steel frame bike, and I did a full bike review on this last winter, which you can see here, there. But its back wheel is here. Oops. And it's still a bit mucky, but hey ho. So let's put this thing back together. Now the unfortunate thing about this bike is it doesn't have quick release wheels, at the back anyway. So I need to put these on down here. It's a pain if you ever get a puncture, and I'm not running tubeless on this bike. A lot of people probably won't recognise that, but that is a 26-inch wheel. Yep, that's what we used to ride. So there she is. This is my winter bike. She is a 26-inch wheel Genesis IO ID, and I'm trying to think what year it is. I think it might be 2012. Well, I've made it out on my bike, and I can officially confirm it is raining. So I'm already a bit underdressed. I need a jacket. That's better, because it started raining even harder since I took my gilet off. I need to get going. I'm not supposed to make that noise. Anyway, no time to hang around, I'm having too much fun. Feels really weird being back on the Genesis 26-inch wheels. The cockpit just feels really a bit more scrunched up. I feel more sort of elevated. Even though I've ridden this bike loads, it's taken a bit of getting used to. And the weather, well, it's crap. Let's not beat around the bush on this one. But I'm out now. It's not particularly cold, so let's keep on going. Oh dear. Come on. Up on the South Downs Way now. Not expecting to see lots of cyclists, and I haven't seen one yet. Conditions have gone from very poor to poor, because the rain has eased up a little bit, but it's much windier up here. Cows on the move up ahead. They're not bothered about this weather. I've just come off the South Downs now. I saw a total of 0 cyclists, which kind of tells you what conditions are like. It was too difficult to film up there really. It was so windy and driving rain, but It's a bit easier now, but the conditions around the South Downs have gone in the space of a week from, you know, a bit of mud in certain places to just this. Well, it's been interesting being on this bike again. It feels a lot more unsteady than the 29er I've got. I'm a big fan of 29. I'm not one of these 26-inch fanboys. This is the sort of condition this bike is absolutely designed for. Atrocious riding really, but absolutely crucifies your bike when you take it out. But I want to keep riding all year round. So this is the compromise. So I've got a descent to come now anyway. What's that? Was that really worth it? Down in the valley now. That lens. So the weather's still raining, but I'm well out of the wind now. Yeah, a lot better. I am going uphill, that's why I'm puffing. But it's probably because I'm tired and quite unfit. Thanks for watching today. If you've enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up. Let the YouTube algorithm gods know that you actually did enjoy the video. And think about subscribing. I post every week. Yeah, I'm pretty regular. Sometimes I have to push out a bit of crap, but there'll be something. And don't use this bad weather as an excuse not to get out there yourself. It's actually alright. I've had a good time. I know I've moaned. It's been alright. I've enjoyed it. I'm not that far from home, but I'm going that way, and that looks like quite heavy rain. I think I'm going to get wetter. I wasn't wrong.